Hello students, we are again back with new topic of class 11 as we have done in 10th class trigonometry. Here we are again going to discuss the new topic is here trigonometry in different way. Here today we are going to discuss two type of angles. One of them is radian, other is known as degree. Degree we have done in 10th class. Now we are going to discuss radian and relation between them. If you see here radian, what is a radian angle measurement? An angle is said to be radian when length of arc in a sector is equal to radius of a circle. Then angle made by this arc at the center is known as 1 radian. If you see here, angle this BAC, it is made by length of arc which is equal to R. Means we can say arc BC. This is given by this one, and we know that length of arc is given by 2 pi r theta by 360. And if we extend BA up to this, we get this upper portion as a semicircle where length of arc become half of the complete circle. We know that full length is given by 2 pi r. So half of the length of arc means length of arc in case of semicircle it become 2 pi r divided by 2. So it become here pi r only. So here angle BAD from the figure means this is a straight line. So angle become here 2 multiply right angle. Here in this case length of arc it become, this is the length of arc, half of the perimeter of circle is equal to, we can say arc BCD. If we divide them, we get here angle BAC divided by angle BAD is equal to R by pi R. This is the length of arc, this is length of another arc. This angle BAC is this angle which is known as 1 radian. So 1 radian is the value of angle BAC, and angle BAD, if you say it is a straight line which is known as 180, which can be done as twice of right angles. This is double of right angle. It become R cancel out, so it become 1 by pi. By cross multiply we get pi multiplied 1 radian is equal to double of right angle. So this is the relation between radian and degree. Here, as you know, this is measurement in radian, and we know right angle means 90 degree. Double of 90 degree means 180 degree. Means angle in radian which is given by pi is equal to in degree 180 degree. Means here we are discussing here in case of angle pi is taken as 180 degree, but in case of measurement means area related and volume related we take pi as a 22 by 7. Now we are going to take example on it where we are going to convert angle from degree to radian and radian to degree. Now we are going to take example on conversion from radian to degree and degree to radian. Firstly we are having the example, convert the given angle in radian. If you see here 1 degree means pi by 180 radian. Means if we want to convert any data from degree to radian we have to multiply by pi by 180. If you see here, so 60 degree become 60 multiply pi by 180. Here 0 cancel out, 6 1 are 6, 6 3 are 18. So we get here pi by 3, it is in radian. Another, here we are having 45 degree. 45 degree means 45 multiply pi by 180. If we cancel out, we get this one. So overall value become pi by 4 here. Another example we are having, convert the given values of radian in degree. First we are having this one, 5 pi by 3. If we are having any value in radian, to convert in degree we are having multiply by 180 by pi. So 180 by pi. Here pi cancel out, on the table of 3 it cancel out at 60. So answer become in degree 300. Here pi is given. Now if you see another example, 1 by 4. So it is also multiplied by 180 by pi. If we going to convert, here we use the value of pi as 22 by 7 because it is given in radian. So cancel by 4 first, it become 45. 45 divided by pi. Pi means 22 by 7. 7 goes upside. There is no cancellation. So answer become 7 5 is 35. 7 4 is 28 plus 3 carry divided by 22. We can leave it here. Otherwise, we can convert in fraction also. So like this, we can convert the given degree in radian as well as from degree measurement we can get from radian measurement. Now we are going to discuss how can we do in case of fractional value. As we have done in lower classes, 1 hour is known as 60 minutes and 1 minute can be written as 60 seconds. Same we are having 1 degree is taken as 60 minutes but symbols are different. It is represented by dash, and 1 minute means 60 seconds. It is given by double dash. For example, we are having 25 degree 30 minute. Convert this in degree. Convert in degree. If you see here 30 minute, minute means 1 degree means 60 minutes. So if you want to convert from smaller parameter to larger, we divide it by 60. So 30 divided by 60, now it becomes in degree. So after cancellation we get half degree. Original value we are having 25 degree 30 minute, which means 25 degree plus 30 minute extra, means 25 degree plus value of 30 minute, it is half degree. Now both the measurements are in the same unit, degree. Now we can add them. 25 plus half, 25 and half. On simplified, we can say it as 51 by 2 degree. Like this, we can convert from fractional type of unit of angle in degree. Now we can also convert in radian. Like this, we know that 1 degree means pi by 180 radian. So 51 by 2 degree, which means 25 degree 30 minutes. So it becomes 51 by 2 multiply pi by 180. There is cancellation by 3, 17 at 60. So it becomes 17 pi by 120. So like this, we can convert the fractional measurement of degree to in complete degree, and then we can convert in radian also. Like this we can do. Now our example we are going to do here. There is a circle it is given whose diameter is given by 50 centimeter. There is an arc selected of 11 centimeters. Suppose this one is the length of arc which is given by 11 centimeter. If we join with the center, this is the angle made by arc at the center. We have to find out this one. Now we have done in 10th class, length of arc is given by 2 pi r theta by 360. As we have discussed, pi radian means 180 degree. Means pi in case of degree can be taken as 180. So value of 2 pi become, which is in radian, it is given by 360 degree. It means this 2 pi and 360 both are same. So it is cancelled out. One thing remember, these angles what we are using here, these are now comes in radian. We have to convert in degree. Now, so formula now change. L is equal to r theta. Value of L is given 11 centimeter. Replace it. Radius, which is the half of the diameter, means half of 50. It becomes 25. Multiply theta, that is the angle made by length of arc L at the center of circle, which is in radian only. So value of theta from become 11 by 25. It is in radian. And we know that to convert in degree, any value in radian, it is multiplied by 180 by pi, where pi is replaced by 22 by 7. If we replace it, we get this one. 11 manja, 11 2 25 multiplied 2 means 50. We get upside 180 multiply 7 divided by 50. 0 cancel out. We get 18 multiply 7. 7 8s are 56. 5 carry 7 on the 7 plus 5, 12 divided by 5. If you see here, 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 2 balance. 2 with 6, 26. 5 5s are 25. 1 balance. 5 2s are 10. This is the angle in degree. When length of arc 11 centimeter, whose diameter of circle is given by 50 centimeter, makes angle theta, which comes out in degree is given by 25.2 degree, and in radian it comes out 11 by 25 in radian. Now our next question is, find out the angle measurement between two hands of a clock. One of them is hour hand, other is minute hand, and the time is 3:30. We have to find out the angle between these two needles. If you see here, for minute hand, if we see here, first for minute hand, it covers 60 digits. Small digit means 60 minutes. Gives us full round means 360 degree. It means one digit gives us 6 degree angle. So to reach up to 6, how many digits it cover? Because in a circle, total minutes digits are 60. So here it covers 30 digits. Means 6 multiplied 30. So it moves 180 degree extra. From the horizontal point, we take this as 0 level. Now for hovering, how much it moves? If we see here, if we indicate here 4. If we do in practical life, hover and move from 3 to 4 means single digit bigger and 5 digit smaller. It moves when the minute hand moves 60 digits here. Means 60 digit of minute hand. It gives us 3 to 4 movement. Means 1 digit bigger. We can say 5 digit smaller. 5 digit it moved by our hand. Here how much digit? Minute hand move 30 digits. So divide by 2, we get 30 digits of minute hand. It gives us how many movement? Half of the movement. 5 by 2 digit. This is the movement for hovering. If you see here, minute hand moves 30 digit from here. And how much it moves from 3 to 4. If you see here, at this point 0 digit we are taking, at 3 number of small digits are 15. The hour hand moves by the movement of minute hand up to 6 bigger digit, means 30 small digit. It moves 5 by 2 digit extra. 5 by 2 means 2.5. So movement of this hour hand become 15 plus 2.5 means 17.5 digit. So movement for hour hand 15 plus 2.5 means 17.5 digit. Hour hand moves totally, if we count from here, 1 bigger digit means 5 digit, 2 bigger 10, 3 bigger 15 plus 5 by 2 digit extra means 2.5 extra. So total digit movement from initial point becomes 17.5. Minute hand moves 30 digit. What is the difference between them? Difference between them become 30 minus 17.5. If we calculate, it becomes 12.5. And angle, we have already shown 1 digit means 6 degree. So this much become 12.5 means 25 by 2. Multiply 6 degree. So it become, cancel out at 3, 75 degree. In radian, if we convert, multiply by pi by 180. Pi divided by 180. Cancel by 5, 15. It becomes 36. Cancel by 3, 5. It becomes 12. So in radian, it becomes 5 pi by 12. It is in radian represented by C symbol at the top. Again we are doing, remember this, when the minute hand we discuss here, we are having 60 small digit. If the time is 3:30, if we see only minute hand, 30 digit means at 6. 30 digit is the moment of a minute hand. For hour hand, when it is 3 o'clock, it is at 3 position, means at the 15 digit smallest one, it is the earliest stage. When it moves 30 digit minute hand, hour hand also moves. It comes in between 3 and 4. We calculate like this. 60 digit means 5 digit movement for hour hand. 30 digit means half of the movement of hour hand. So it becomes 2.5, add it in it. So we get this one. This is the position of hour hand. This is the position of minute hand. Difference between the position 12.5. So one digit means 6 degrees. So 12.5 means 25 by 2. It gives us 75 degrees. Then we convert it in radian measurement also. Now we are back with another example. There is a question given. There are two circles with different radii and taking same length of arc. They make angle theta 1 at the center, and second circle length of arc makes theta 2 at the center. Here both the lengths L1 and L2 are given equal. We are indicated by L. Angles are given 60 degree and 75 degree. We have to find out the ratio of their radii. Suppose radius in this circle is given by R1, here it is given by R2. We know that L is given by R theta. So here L1 is given by R1 theta 1 and L2 it is given by R2 theta 2. Because both the lengths are given equal, so it means R1 theta 1 is equal to R2 theta 2. R1 by R2 we need here. So it becomes theta 2 divided by theta 1. Theta 2 is 75 degree. If we convert in radian, multiply by pi by 180. Theta 1, 60 degree, 60 multiply pi by 180. Here by pi by 180 is same, cancel out. On the table of 15, they can cancel out. 15 5s are 15 4s are. So ratio comes out 5:4 here. So like this, we can find out the ratio of radii. Same maybe question asked of another type. So we can do by use of L is equal to R theta. So please like, share and subscribe the channel and share the videos more and more. Thank you.